Welcome to our YouTube channel, your Spanish learning partner. Whether you're a total beginner or brushing up your skills, our easy-to-follow lessons, real-life conversations, and practical tips will help you learn Spanish fast and have fun doing it. Let's start pronouncing. Let's pronounce next alphabet. J. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. K. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. L. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. M. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. N. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. Let's pronounce next alphabet. T.